Hi, this is Holy Names University Librarian Daniel Ransom, and I'm going to demonstrate for you today how to set up a running head in the APA style using a PC computer or Windows in Microsoft Word. So, what I have open right now is a blank new document. I haven't done anything to this document yet, and I'm going to set up my running head. The running head goes up in the header area of the document, which is above the normal text area. So I'm going to double click my cursor up into that area, and that opens the header. The first thing I want to do before I start entering any text is to click a little checkbox that says Different First Page in the header menu, which opened by default after I double clicked up into the header. By clicking on this, I'm going to be able to have text on my first page header that's different from what I have on my subsequent pages, which is required in the APA style for the running head. Before I enter the text in my running head, I'm going to insert my page number. I want to do this first, because if I insert my page number after entering my running head text, my running head text will disappear. So I go to Insert, Page Number, top of the page, and to the right. And now I have my page number. Now I'm going to type the text of my running head. I capitalize the R and leave the rest lowercase, colon. Then I type in the title of my paper, and the title of my paper I put in all caps. So now I have the correct text for my running head, but it's in the wrong location. I want it on the left. So I highlight my text. I click Home for the Home editing menu, and this little icon that aligns my text to the left. The only downside is it's now moved my page number, and I need to move my page number back. So I'm going to click on my page number, and all I have to do is hit the Tab button twice, and it'll automatically go back to the position it had on the right. Last thing I'm going to do before I leave my first page running head is select all of my text, go up to my font menu, and change it from Calibri, which is the standard default in Microsoft Word, to Times New Roman, which is the required font for the APA style. And I'm going to go to my font size and change it from 11 to 12. I double click to get out of my header, and I need to go on to my second page because I need to have a different header on my second and subsequent pages. So in order to do that, I do need a second page. I'm just going to type in the word placeholder so that I have some text there. And I'm going to go up to the menu above and click Insert and choose Insert Page Break, which is over to the left. After I click Insert Page Break, I now have a page 2. So on page 2, I double click up into the header, and now I'm going to do things pretty much the same way that I did with my first page header. I'm going to go to page number, top of the page to the right. I'm going to type in my header, but on my subsequent pages, I'm supposed to leave out the words running head. So in all caps, title of my paper without running head. And again, I'm going to choose my text. I'm going to click Home, align left, and again I'm going to click on my page number, press Tab twice to move it back over to the right, and then select all my text. And I was going to change the font up in the font menu. This time it popped up a little pop-up box right here because it sensed that I was going to change my font. And pick my 12 size font, and I'm all set. I have my header. When I start typing and I get enough text on the page that I have a third page, a fourth page, all those subsequent pages will have the same running head as the second page with the page numbers counting up just like they're supposed to. So hopefully you'll find this helpful when you're setting up your running head. And if you have any questions, let us know at hnulibrary@hnu.edu. Thanks.